Forex traders, do you want free expert forex market analysis weekly? In this video, we share weekly forex market analysis of the pound USD for the coming week. You will get the fundamental analysis of the pound USD, a top-down analysis and breakdown of the pound USD, and a forex trading strategy with entry for trading pound USD next week. We hope you will love to stick around. Meanwhile, comment below your favorite trading pair as we dive into the charts. Okay, a quick one here, the pound USD, guys. We're on the monthly chart here. Let's start on the monthly chart. But before then, let's look at the fundamental outlook of the pound USD. So from the from UK, guys, we just last week, I think on the 31st of this month, we got the GDP reports from the UK, and so far it shows that there was some kind of improvements as the numbers was higher than the forecast and higher than the previous, right? And the previous numbers. However, guys, the GDP of the US isn't looking so great, at least from what we get from the report. But then the NFP also, the NFP report too also, coincided and agreed to the fact that we should or we could be expecting a bearish USD for the midterm. Now, looking at the pound USD chart from the technical aspect, guys, let's look at the chart. So this is the monthly chart, and significantly this is what I see here from a zone to zone perspective. Okay, so let's do some very simple thing here. I'll be using the horizontal line to just place the levels. So right here, guys, we have the price resisting at this point from the pound USD, guys. Okay, and let me clone this. All right, we have the price also showing some very huge good support at this level, right? Okay, you can see this price showing very good support at this level, and what we can see here is after the price trading at this level, it came down, it broke this level, right? So it broke here, and here became a resistance level, and the price actually came back down to the zone and showed here. So level here, and next level here, if you look carefully, we also have a strong support level down here, right? We also have a strong support level down here. And where do we have something significant, guys? There's something I'm saying down here. Okay, this level, right? Though hidden, but yeah, it is what it is. So this level right here, right? Now, what happened here in this zone on the monthly chart, guys? We can see the price actually bouncing off this level, right? Bouncing off, coming into the zone, showing some kind of resistance in this zone, right? Showing some kind of resistance, and the price is actually back on this zone. Forget, guys, that we're trading the monthly chart of the pound USD. That's what we're looking at right now. So let's dive lower. I'm going to take this off, and let's dive to the weekly chart. See what we have there for the pound USD. Okay, all right, guys, the pound USD weekly chart. Voila. Okay, so for pound USD here on the weekly chart, forex market analysis, remember this is our focus for swing traders, guys. So I'm a swing trader, so I'm going to show you what the pound USD, what I will be looking at, and the trade I will be taking for the pound USD on the weekly chart, guys. Okay, so pound USD weekly chart. All right, we do have some quite interesting zones here. Permit me to mark some of them. Right, we had earlier on, we had a very interesting level around here, right, earlier this year. Can't forget that. Okay, let's say this is a supply zone, right? Okay, a supply zone, right? Okay, so down here previously we did have a zone, we did have a level around here, that was broken, right? However, the price came up here, retested, and still came to this zone. But then this is something I noticed. Even here where the price is right now, there are kind of clusters around here from this point, right? You can see the price actually making its way to the upside and forming some kind of clusters here. So we have here this okay, we have here, sorry about that, guys, we have here to be a very interesting zone, right? Our demand zone down here. Okay, why is here demand zone, guys? Okay, what we notice here from this point, right, see the price actually, the price actually made a deep move, like it dipped, right? The price came downwards, and actually in a bid to actually go up, right? There was this kind of little clusters here, and then the price actually pushed up. So what we're expecting is when price comes back to that zone, right, with very good price action patterns and confirmation entries, we can expect the price to bounce up this level at least, right? Okay, so and right now we also have fundamental backends that suggest that the pound USD can actually go higher, appreciate in the midterm. So from this point, guys, let's go to the daily chart to see what we have on the daily chart to actually confirm our sentimental bias. All right, so on the daily chart, guys, what do we notice? We can see that the price actually from this point, right, we had almost no wicks, right? We can actually say, we can describe this to be a tweezer bottom, can describe this price here to be a tweezer bottom, but then it was even confirmed by what at this level here, 16th 17th of March. It was confirmed by what? By bullish moves to the upside, and unfortunately the price actually met the resistance level somewhere around here, and then came back this zone. But we can notice that the price is struggling to go up. Perhaps institutions are waiting for the NFP reports and GDP outlook of both economies, which at this point is confirmed. Okay, so personally I'll be looking at going long on this pair. Maybe if price comes back to this zone, right? If price comes back into this zone, that's the first scenario. However, let's look at what we have on the 4-hour chart. Meanwhile, guys, if you're new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, I'll advise you subscribe. And then we initially made an analysis on the EURUSD where we shared in-depthly the fundamental outlook of the USD. We would like you to watch it to actually get better value for this content and know where the pair is actually going. And then so on the 4-hour chart here, we can also see some kind of good price action. Yeah, we can see that 4-hour 8-hour candle, right? 4 hours shows this kind of pull here to the upside, but then it's really not enough confirmation. If the price accommodates, we would like to see something like this. If the price accommodates, guys, maybe if there's a fall, if the price actually wants to come to the downside for that, maybe by Monday or Tuesday, to maybe pick up some liquidity, we could actually expect the price to come into this zone, and then from this zone we can expect the price to actually go upwards, right? Upwards into this level at least, right? Into this level. So this wouldn't be a bad idea, a bad risk to reward. So let's actually keep it very objective and simple. Trust you're getting value from this forex analysis. Kindly hit the subscription button, turn on notification, and comment below your trading approach you've identified in this content. And when you do that, yes, you will get notified each and every time we share forex market analysis. Guys, let's continue. Okay, so here's what we have established on the pound USD, guys. And from the pound USD, obviously we can see some kind of movement to the upside from this level, that we can see that the price has actually been struggling to stay afloat, right? Pound USD, that's interesting. Okay, so we want to see some kind of maybe slight pullback, right, and the continuation to the upside for the mid-term, right? And mind you, don't forget, we still have this very good zone, demand zones here on the weekly chart, one, and then we also have it confirmed here on the daily chart, right? We have a demand zone here, and we expect the price to actually come back, worst case scenario, come back into that zone and react upwards. However, guys, if at this level that we see it, we confirm a bullish day, right? One bullish day or one very significant price action pattern that could give us validation and confirmation to actually go long, we would. But personally, I will be looking at going long on pound USD on the mid-term. Okay, so our sentimental bias for the pound USD, guys, is bullish. All right, so one more thing, guys, let's add this range just for fun. Okay, so I'll be looking at worst case scenario, guys, to actually open a position here. having a good, okay, having a good risk to reward, right? Okay, this would actually be fun, right? Okay, so guys, here we are. We want to share our analysis with you. We love you and we care. So if you're viewing this content, or if you're viewing the Millionaire Logistics channel for the first time, we'll actually appreciate if you click that subscription button and never get to miss any analysis from us. We love your contribution. We very much appreciate it. Okay guys, so pound USD, this is it. Let's go take some risk in the market. Let's go make some money. Precious. Millionaire Logistics.